Our planet is home to a staggering number of people. This number keeps growing. As the global population expands, so does its appetite. We need to produce more food than ever before. This is a challenge, but also an opportunity. We must find new and innovative ways to nourish our growing world. Traditional farming methods alone may not be enough to meet this demand. We need a multi-pronged approach. This involves improving both plant-based and animal-based food production. By embracing new technologies and sustainable practices, we can ensure food security for all. It is our shared responsibility to find solutions to this pressing issue. The future of humanity depends on our ability to produce enough nutritious food for everyone, and we must act now to secure a brighter future for all. For centuries, farmers have been selectively breeding plants. They chose crops with desirable traits. These traits could be larger fruits, higher yields, or resistance to disease. This process, called hybridization, has given us many of the crops we rely on today. In recent decades, scientists have developed a new tool, genetic modification. This technology allows us to make precise changes to the genetic makeup of crops. We can enhance their nutritional content. We can make them more resistant to pests and diseases. We can even engineer them to thrive in harsh environments. Genetic modification is a powerful tool. It has the potential to revolutionize agriculture. However, it is important to use this technology responsibly. We must ensure that genetically modified crops are safe for human consumption and the environment. Growing healthy crops requires more than just good seeds. It demands careful management of the entire agricultural ecosystem. This includes providing the right nutrients, water, and protection from pests and diseases. Nutrient management is crucial for plant growth. Farmers use fertilizers to replenish the soil with essential nutrients. However, excessive fertilizer use can harm the environment. We must adopt sustainable fertilization practices. Irrigation is essential in many parts of the world. It provides water to crops in areas with limited rainfall. However, over-irrigation can lead to waterlogging and salinization. We must develop and implement efficient irrigation systems. The way crops are planted also plays a role in yield. Different cropping patterns can help control weeds, reduce soil erosion, and improve soil fertility. Pests and weeds pose a significant threat to crop production. They can damage crops, reduce yields, and even contaminate food. Protecting crops from these threats is essential for ensuring food security. Pesticides are commonly used to control pests. However, pesticides can have negative impacts on human health and the environment. We must explore alternative pest control methods. Integrated pest management, IPM, is a more sustainable approach. IPM combines various pest control methods. This includes biological control, cultural practices, and the use of resistant crop varieties. Weed control is also crucial. Weeds compete with crops for resources like sunlight, water, and nutrients. Herbicides are commonly used to control weeds, but they can also have negative environmental impacts. Animal husbandry plays a vital role in providing us with essential nutrients. From meat and milk to eggs and honey, livestock animals are a critical part of our food system. Selective breeding is a cornerstone of animal husbandry. By selecting and breeding animals with desirable traits, we can improve their productivity, health, and welfare. Disease control is another crucial aspect of animal husbandry. Livestock animals are susceptible to various diseases that can impact their health and productivity. Vaccinations, hygiene, and biosecurity measures are essential for preventing and controlling disease outbreaks. Improving animal welfare is not only ethical but also beneficial for productivity. Animals that are well cared for tend to be healthier and more productive. As we look to the future of food production, it's important to explore alternative sources of nutrition. These alternatives can reduce our reliance on traditional agriculture and provide dietary diversity. Fisheries and aquaculture play a crucial role in providing seafood. Sustainable fishing practices are essential to ensure the long-term health of our oceans. Aquaculture, the farming of aquatic organisms, can help meet the growing demand for seafood while minimizing the impact on wild populations. Apiculture, the practice of beekeeping, provides us with honey and other valuable bee products. Bees also play a vital role in pollination, which is essential for many crops. Protecting bee populations is crucial for food security. Insects are a sustainable and nutritious source of protein. While insect consumption is not yet widespread in many cultures, it has the potential to become a significant part of the global food system. Sustainable agriculture is not just about producing enough food, it's about doing so in a way that protects the environment and conserves resources for future generations. Organic farming is a sustainable approach that prohibits the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. It focuses on building healthy soils, conserving water, and promoting biodiversity. Agroforestry combines trees and shrubs with crops or livestock. This integrated approach provides numerous benefits, including improved soil fertility, reduced erosion, and enhanced biodiversity. Crop diversification involves growing a variety of crops rather than relying on monocultures. This practice helps to break pest and disease cycles, improve soil health, and enhance biodiversity. By adopting sustainable agricultural practices, we can produce food while minimizing our impact on the planet. The future of food production lies in finding a balance between technological advancements and traditional knowledge. By combining the best of both worlds, we can create a more resilient and sustainable food system. Precision agriculture utilizes technology to optimize crop production. Sensors, drones, and data analytics help farmers make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. Vertical farming involves growing crops in vertically stacked layers. This innovative approach requires less land and water than traditional farming and can be implemented in urban areas, bringing food production closer to consumers. Traditional farming practices, passed down through generations, hold valuable insights into sustainable agriculture. By preserving and learning from these practices, we can enrich our understanding of how to work in harmony with nature. The fusion of technology and tradition will pave the way for a more sustainable and equitable food future. The challenge of feeding a growing planet is a shared responsibility. It requires collaboration between governments, scientists, farmers, and consumers. Governments play a crucial role in supporting sustainable agriculture through policies, research funding, and infrastructure development. They can incentivize farmers to adopt sustainable practices and invest in agricultural research and development. Scientists play a vital role in developing new technologies and solutions for sustainable food production. From drought-tolerant crops to precision agriculture, scientific advancements are essential for meeting the growing demand for food. Farmers are the stewards of our land. Their knowledge and expertise are essential for implementing sustainable agricultural practices. Supporting farmers through fair prices, access to markets, and training is crucial for ensuring a sustainable food future. Consumers also have a role to play. By making conscious food choices, we can support sustainable agriculture, reducing food waste, choosing locally sourced products, and diversifying our diets are all steps in the right direction. By working together, we can build a future where everyone has access to safe, nutritious, and sustainably produced food.